I'm Hitesh Goswami. I am a co-founder and CEO of 4basecare. I have more than 20 years of work experience working in pharma drug discovery and genomics. Prior to 4basecare, I had founded another company called bioinformatics, which was a genomic informatics company. And now with 4basecare, we are focusing specifically on the clinical application of genomics and more specifically on the oncology. So 4basecare, we are a precision oncology company. We were in fact the first company from Asia Pacific to be selected by Illumina Accelerator program way back in 2019. So the whole objective of the company is to develop solutions based on indigenous data, because currently if you look at most of the solutions which are available for comprehensive genomic profiling is based on data on the Caucasian population. So we're developing an indigenous solution, doing our own research, generating our own data. So what is culminated out of that is our panel called Target Indigene, which is world's first Indian population specific cancer gene panel, which we have identified the genes of interest, and then of course, as you know with you guys, Celemics making the probes, and that is one of the solutions that we have launched from our research, and we continue to do that with research on different countries. We are looking at expanding into Middle East and Southeast Asia in the next couple of years, and whole idea is to make genomics profiling or biomarker testing accessible and affordable to the patients in this region. So we have a lot of exciting projects going on. Of course, we just finished our work on Indigene panel, where we generated data on Indian population. But that is just tip of the iceberg. I think we are doing a lot of research in terms of looking at real-world insights based on the treatment outcomes to the biomarkers which have been tested. Also, we are looking at working with other countries to develop similar kind of a solution, which we did with Indigene, and also focusing on developing solutions on liquid biopsy, especially from minimal residual disease perspective, and looking at using liquid biopsy in terms of longitudinal monitoring of treatment outcomes for patients. So Jay, I've known Jay for a long time, I would say now almost 6 to 7 years. So interacted with Jay in my old company, Bioinformatics Technology. So as soon as we wanted to start something on this, I had connected with him, and he explained me about the whole process of Celemics and how they can work with company like us in developing a customized solution. And yeah, that's where the story started. I think we started interacting in 2021, and it's been around 3 years of great association with Celemics. Definitely, the biggest trend I think is the customer support, and they understand the technology very well. You can go to them and just go with your roadmap in terms of the kind of products you want to develop. In our case, it was custom gene panels, and they would bring the experts on board, the bioinformatics team, their product development team, and both I would say pre and post support in terms of working closely in terms of the roadmap and execution, and even post execution, making sure that the panel is well validated with different controls, and even if we have some issues in the lab, optimization of certain protocols and all, they're always available. And I think support in addition to the technical capability is the most important factor for us. So it's been the great 3.5 years working with Celemics, and now that Celemics is in India, it makes it more accessible. And with our global expansion program and with Celemics having a global presence, I think it makes collaboration much more easier. And yeah, we look forward to engaging with Celemics, and they are a partner of choice when it comes to developing our custom gene panel. So I think the future collaboration mostly would involve upgradation of some of the solutions that we have developed. We generated some more data and generated some more insights which we would like to integrate to the current gene panels that we have, and of course working on new solutions for, like mentioned, specifically from liquid biopsy perspective. So yeah, a lot of opportunities going forward working with Celemics, and we look forward.